There's some good example right there. $166,880 and $5,380 in monthly recurring from a 2-week promotion. So the reason I want to share this is I'm going to keep sharing my screen as we go through. It's not about me. You don't really care how much money I make. You don't really care what I do. But if I'm going to be the one teaching you, then I want to make sure that I'm out there actually practicing what I preach. I want to go out there and actually do it myself so that I can learn how to promote, so that I can help you. Now, I'm going to tell you a few very, very key things that are going to blow your mind, okay? That income that I just showed you right there, that is with no posts on social media. I did not email my big email list. I have yet to email them. I did not run any advertisements. There's no anything, no paid ads, no big email blasts, no social media posts, no YouTube videos. Nowhere did I use any social media at all for any of this. I actually am going to, right? So starting next week, I start running my own social media campaigns, and I think that that could go up to like 500,000 or at least go up to like 20, 30, 40,000 monthly recurring. I haven't even tapped into that, and I do have a lot of those resources. So I'm not at all going to say that I don't have an unfair advantage. Here is exactly what I used